Hey, what's going on, guys? I know it's not Sunday, but I just wanted to make this quick video to say thank you to Stelios Katsia Drums, whose name I probably butchered, for becoming my very first patron. Woohoo! Now I have 3 patrons in total. Technically, 2 of my best friends became patrons long time ago, Ben Fallon and Akila Varani, but let's be honest, they would support me no matter what I do, so they don't really count. Sorry. Anyways, I wanted to take this opportunity to introduce Patreon to you guys because most people don't know it, even though it has been around for quite a while, since we're living in times when startups are being created literally every second. Patreon is a service which allows you to support your local favorite content creator in a sustainable fashion for everyone involved. You choose one of the subscription tiers and Patreon will transfer the amount you choose to your favorite content creator on a regular basis, monthly to be precise. Every dollar counts, you can cancel it anytime you want, and on top of supporting your favorite content creator, you also get some really cool perks. I've been creating videos for almost 2 years now, and all this time my Patreon page had only one tier, basically saying that I wasn't asking for money because I was recording these videos in my free time. I simply wanted to have a way to separate my true fans from YouTube subscribers, and Patreon wouldn't allow me to choose anything less than $1. I decided to change this, add more tiers and perks, and commit to becoming a full-time content creator. Now, I'm a very goal-oriented person, and long time before I even created my YouTube channel, I actually sat down with some of my friends, we talked the whole thing through, and I fully committed to trying to become a content creator. What changes now is that now I'm actually committed to becoming a full-time content creator. 2 years ago, I gave myself a personal 2-year deadline to see if I'm gonna stick to it or not, and now I decided that I will. Now, obviously just deciding or committing or actually going and creating those videos is not enough to quit my job. My long-term plan is to bring in some sponsors once the channel gets a bit more traction and create some online courses in the very limited free time that I have left every day. Until then, let me show you what cool perks you get if you decide to support me. But before that, I want to make one thing super clear. Please do not support me if you're a student or if you're from a third world country or you have financial difficulties of any kind. Please do not support me monetarily. I'm very serious about this. If you still want to show me some love, there are plenty of ways to do this without any money involved whatsoever. Click the like button on my videos, share my videos on social media, actually watch my videos to let the YouTube algorithm know that they should be ranked higher. I'm also in the process of setting up some Amazon affiliate links, so please, I'm very serious about this. There are plenty of ways to support me without any money involved. It's not about the money, we just want to make the world dance. Alright, let's go through the tiers real quick. From now on, the $1 tier not only gives you access to a super secret Discord channel, but also you get to see all my videos as soon as they come out. As you might know by now, my videos are always coming out every Sunday, and they have been for the past 2 years without any exceptions. No matter if I was sick or if I was traveling, no excuses whatsoever. I accomplished this by buffering my videos, so now you get access to this entire buffer. On top of that, I'm planning to do some live streaming, so you will get access to those live streams where I will be showing you how I'm creating the videos, or maybe we can just hang out or play some video games or do some Q&As. We'll just have to see how it develops. With $9 on top of the $1 tier, you also get access to all of my online courses for free. Now, I don't have any courses yet, but I already started working on the first one. If everything goes according to plan, it should be out on April 2019. No promises though, and no, I'm not going to tell you what it is about. It's a surprise, so be cool. Now, I understand that there is a big gap between the $1 tier and the $10 tier, but firstly, I wanted to keep it as simple as possible, and secondly, if you want to show me some more love than $1, Patreon allows you to do just that. Just select the $1 tier and then specify exactly how much love you have for me. Now, I have seen on some other Patreon pages that tiers go sometimes into thousands of dollars, which my mind is simply not capable of comprehending. So what I came up with is with a $100 tier, which gives you a super special shout out every month in my videos. And also I'm in the process of creating the davidsaidi.com website, and there will be a special section for you. Please note that this tier does not apply for companies. It is for individuals only. If you're a company, just send me an email to info@davidsaidi.com. Patreon also makes it possible to set up goals. So I did some very vague calculations and came up with a number that would make it thinkable for me to quit my job and actually become a full-time content creator. Please check out my Patreon page. The link is going to be in the description below. Note that these tiers are not set in stone. I will constantly be improving them, making them more clear, adding more perks, and so on. Which reminds me, if you start supporting me right now, independently of which tier you choose, you will get a super awesome, limited, early supporter badge on my website, which doesn't exist yet. The deadline is February 24, 2019, which is my birthday. Alright, I wanted to make this video as short as possible. Thank you for all of your support, monetary or not. Love is what matters. So please don't forget to love this video, and most importantly, take care.